Today I'll be introducing iMovie. It has a few functions to be honest, but you can use it easily and most of all, it's free. So some of my videos were edited here, not by the magic movie of course, but by using the following tools. Let's get started. Okay, so first you need to select the correct clips for you to edit, like this. The recording of me finishing the 2048 game, I guess. If you want to add your voice, just press this button, the one to the left. I'll stop it first and cancel it. Remember to click the clip first before editing the clip. Select the right one is very important. I think I'll add the subtitle, subscribe. Yeah, you should subscribe to Pineapple Banana Mango. I'll call myself PBM for short. And this video is made possible by YouTube. They're not the sponsors, of course, but I'm telling the truth. You can change the color of the text to black and the font as well, and you have other options as well. Brilliant. Now you can change the sound speed. And that leads us to cutting time. Finally, it's the decoration time. Let's use the filter. Although it's pretty useless and I seldom use this, but when you're designing, you may want this function. Wait, if you want to insert anything in the middle of the project, you can do it easily by just clicking the add button. You can add audio or videos or photos as you want. I don't know why, but I would like to add this. So I'm finishing the steps and boom, done. Remember to save or share the video, and that's the end of this video. Goodbye.